How many income streams do you have? Like, honestly, in this time and era, in this world that we live in, it has become seemingly important for us to have multiple income streams to be able to live a comfortable and fulfilled life. Now, I'm going to be listing the various income streams that I use to make extra income and passive income that works for me that you can do as well. Like, literally anybody can do literally anybody can use this income streams to make extra income. Now, number three and the final one are my favorite types of income streams because they are literally so simple to do without any stress. Now, you would want to like and subscribe to this channel and stay tuned and continue watching this video to the end so that you do not miss out on a single thing. Number one on my list has got to be affiliate marketing. Now, every single day, we are affiliate marketers or affiliate sellers and we do not even know. Now, in simple terms, affiliate marketing is when you promote a product or a service of a company or an individual, and then you get paid for doing so. For example, you buy a dress from Pretty Little Thing, or you buy a lipstick from Sephora, and your friend asks you, "Oh, girl, I love that dress on you. I love that lipstick color on you. Where did you get it?" And then you go, "Oh, girl, I got it from Sephora. Oh, girl, I got the dress from PLT." And then your friend goes and buy that dress and that same color of lipstick. Now, you've literally sold a product as an affiliate seller without getting paid. Now, that is what affiliate marketing is all about, where you sell a product for a company to someone else, and then you get paid for being the middleman that brought the business deal together. Social media and internet has made it very easy for you to become an affiliate marketer. If you have a Facebook page, an Instagram page, a TikTok account, or even a website, you can go to brands, become the affiliate sellers, post their link on your pages, talk about their products, and when people buy, you get paid. Let's say I take a picture with this beautiful dress I'm putting on right now and I post on my social media. Someone goes, "Oh, I love that dress on you. Where did you get it?" And I'm like, "Okay, the link is in my bio, right?" Because I'm an affiliate seller. And when they go click the link in my bio to purchase this same dress because they think it's going to look good on them as well, I get paid. So very simple, right? So that is what affiliate marketing is basically. The number two on my list has got to be brand collaboration. Collaboration is quite stressful, but usually the pay is good, the pay is huge. So with brand collaboration, you can make money in two ways. Either outright payment for the brand to talk about their products, promote their products or their services, or through affiliate marketing as well, where the brand comes and say, "Okay, we want to talk about our products, and we are willing to give you 10%, 15% commission for every single person that buys this product through you. So we'll pay you a percentage of whatever it is they spend on purchasing that product." So that is one way you make money from brands. While the second way is where they pay you actually to create a content for them with regards to their brand, where they can either post on their social media page or where they allow you to post on social media page and they can even run ads with this video. Now, number three on my list, which is my favorite one, has got to be dividends. Now, with dividend payment, you invest in big companies like Tesla, Amazon, Facebook, Google, and then you get paid for being part owners of these companies. So when Apple makes a profit, you get paid. When Google makes a profit, you get paid dividends because you're a shareholder. Now, the amazing part of this particular income stream that I love so much is that it is totally passive. In this particular type of income stream, my money is what is working to make more money for me. So after I have spent time making money, working hard to make money, I now put my money to work to then make me even more money by investing it in the stock market. Now, if you make a lot of money and you do not actually manage your money or sustain your money, then you're literally going to always live paycheck to paycheck and always continue with that rat race on any circle. And you won't be able to achieve financial freedom or even build wealth at all. Now, number four on my list got to be digital products. Now, I love digital products because it is very simple. All you need to do is put in that initial work and effort that one time. What skills do you have? What knowledge do you have? Package it into a course. It could be a video course or, an ebook and then sell it. Trust me, for every knowledge, every idea, every skill that you have, there are people out there that are dying, to learn from you. Because at the end of the day, no two people can do a certain task the same way. Point is, whatever skill that you have, put it into package it very well and sell it. For example, I sell I have an ebook I sell called The Beginner's Guide to Stock Investing. Now, what I did with that ebook was I asked myself, when I started investing newly, what were the things I wish I know? How did I start? What easy ways did I start investing in the stock market? And I put my knowledge together and created that book called A Beginner's Guide to Stock Investing. Because so many people are confused on how to start investing. So many people do not even know how to start investing in the stock market. So I felt like that was going to be like an awesome idea for a digital product, for an ebook. And so every single day I make sales from this ebook. Now you can use word of mouth to promote your ebook, or you can use internet ads to run ads, sponsored ads to promote your ebook. And that way you can even make a lot more money. Now, number 5 on my list has got to be market research. Now, market research is so amazing because literally it is less time, more money. So the highest time I've spent doing the market research is 1 hour, and I got paid £200. I mean, there are times when I've done market research for 1 hour, 45 minutes, where I've got paid £100, £150. But most I've stayed for a market research is 1 hour for £200, and the least amount of money I've made is £50 for a 30 minutes market research that even got cancelled. So I did not end up doing that research. It got cancelled, but I still got paid anyways because it's not my fault that the company cancelled, right? So market research is when companies come to meet you to get your idea, your knowledge, and your opinion of products and services and global events, and they pay you for having an insight into how your brain works regarding to those issues. So you see why I said that your skill is sellable. Whatever it is you know, whatever it is you have, you know how to do, you can sell it and you make a lot of money from it. But 6 on my list is coaching. You know how I say your skill and your knowledge and what you know is valuable? Now, that is what coaching does. So, coaching is where you now sell your skills and your products to individuals via one-to-one sessions. Now, this is amazing for me because I get to charge more money, because at this point, you are not just paying for my knowledge, you're also paying for my time. So, the pay is usually bigger, and at the end of the day, it's fulfilling because I give value to my clients. So, I do one-to-one coaching sessions where I help them, start their investment journey, start their financial planning, and how to budget and things like that. Finally, on my list, I have freelancing. So freelancing is where you also sell your skills, your knowledge, but this time around, instead of selling them to individuals, you're selling them to big companies. So companies come and hire you to work for them on a freelance basis, where you get to set your hourly rate and you charge them per hour. So usually I charge anywhere from £25, $25 to $30, £30 per hour to work with companies. So a company might come so whatever skill you have, it could be customer service skill, graphic designing skill, website designing skill, copywriting. There are companies and even individuals that are looking for people like you to pay you to work for them. So the most sought after skills for freelancing are social media management, content creator, graphic design, website management, video editing, social media management. So these are some of the sought after skills where companies come and meet you, perform these roles from the comfort of your home, and they pay you hourly rates, at the end of the day for performing this work and this task for them. You can choose what works for you. You don't have to do all of them at the same time. You can start, in small batches. You can pick 2 and start and work with it, fine tune it to suit you, make sure it works for you, and then before you can pick up on the rest of the income streams. I mean, I just started doing all of them in one day. I started bit by bit, little by little, and over time, I was able to get a hang of it. So guys, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and share this video with